In this video, we are going to review the best 5 grill brush available in the current market. After reviewing grill brush and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
Kona Safe Grill Brush. This brush is recommended for all grill types including ceramic, infrared, char-broil, cast iron, porcelain and Weber. Kona Clean Grill Brush has been designed to last 5x longer. The makers claim that it is 125% more rigid than the conventional brushes available in the market. This is the reason why it would last longer.
Number 2.
Kona 360 Clean Grill Brush. Kona 360 is just the perfect brush for people who cherish a clean grill. Its unique design permits you not just to clean the top and the bottom but also the sides of each bar of the grill without having to remove the grill top. This clever tool has bristles facing all the directions for ensuring complete cleaning. Easy to wield and lightweight, this grill brush is backed by a 5-year warranty.
Number 3.
Weber 6494 3-sided grill brush. This is when Weber 6494 3-sided grill brush can prove to be efficient. It cleans easily between tight spaces and cooking grates. Weber brand has been in the business since 1952 and it is one of the best grill brushes that you can own. This 3-sided brush comes with sturdy and stiff bristles. The handle is sturdy and features a hefty leather strap.
Number 4.
Backyard Dudes Barbecue Grill Cleaning Brush. The Griller Grill Brush and Scraper cleans 5x faster. It comprises of 3 brushes. Each stroke of this grill brush is equivalent to 3 conventional brushes. This is the reason why it cleans 5x faster when compared to ordinary grill brushes. This 360 rotator can remove traces of residue on your grill grates efficiently. It features an ideal handle of 18 inches length. This will keep your hands safe from the heat from your grill.
Number 5.
Grill Grubber Barbecue Cleaning Brush. Backyard Dudes have a reputation for offering brushes that are made from real brass. The barbecue grill brush offered is 100% free from lead and is made in USA. This brush is dishwasher safe in the top rack of the dishwasher. If you are looking to cook clean food, then you need to invest in a quality barbecue grill cleaning brush. This cleaning brush features extra wide 2 levels of bristles that are soft and safe for all porcelain grates.